Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy of Van On Company. It's Monday, April 25th. I'm going to go over the markets with you. You had strength come in after yesterday or Friday's negative trade. So looks like maybe you saw a little bit of more buying when you talked to the floor. It sounded like a little bit of investment funds coming back in here, being aggressive buyers again after their liquidation, especially in corn on Thursday and Friday, and then Friday on beans. So beans actually up 13 cents. That is about 20 cents off of its daily high though. So it did close off the high in the green. Nonetheless, that puts both your front month and then actually defers also around that $9.99 mark there. Corn was up anywhere from 5 to 10, closing up about 5.5 cents on the day there. So that support coming through. Corn's got the most to gain back. Beans aren't that much off their recent high, but corn had some massive liquidation towards the end, closing down 6 cents on the week last week. So working that self back up. And then the wheat market anywhere from 5 to about 8 cents higher on the day. Not a whole lot of movement there. I think a lot of people are waiting to see this planting progress report that comes out this afternoon to see how far we are planted. That has to be a little bit of a higher number people are hoping for. Otherwise, they're saying you could be delayed for a little bit. The 8 to 14, the 6 to 10 day, 8 to 14 is calling for cool and wet temperatures for a while here. And a majority of the corn belts are looking at above average precip. So you're wondering if maybe you'll see a little bit of a slowdown on planting. It depends how far we are now here. So this report is going to be a big one, and then moving forward we'll have to watch those weather forecasts. You did have some strength come into live cattle and feeder cattle off a neutral to slightly friendly cattle on feed report. So both of them closed near $1 higher. Maybe a little bit of spreading and selling going on into hogs. It was down over $1 there. Outside markets all in the red with crude down over $1. The dollar was down 30 and the Dow was down about 15 to 20 points. So that pressure was there. Like I said, moving forward, you're going to see planting progress, and then the weather is really going to dictate how we trade from here on out and see if we can keep funds around, give them a little bit of story to buy into. It looks like they want to keep being buyers here, so it was supporting, and we'll move forward from there. I do have to close the disclaimer. Traded in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.